What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a little project on Steven's car, and Pat is working on a customer's car right here, doing some coils. But we haven't done a little project on Steven's car, I think, since we did his rear bumper. So today, what are we doing, Steven?
So I'm finishing my intercooler install, and then we're gonna get some underglow going on. I've already put in a new air filter and changed my oil, and then we're gonna do some tuning right after. So it's gonna be a fun day.
Oh shit. So here is Steven's OEM intercooler. Over here, we have Steven's new Mishimoto intercooler. Sponsor?
Yeah.
So shout out to Mishimoto, sponsoring the guy over here, and we're gonna be doing some intercooler things.
Oh. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god, it's so big.
That's what she said.
That's fucking whack, bro. Why? How much you get?
Boys, Leo finally got his car done, so Pat's asking some specs for the 86 that he's working on. What's up, Leo?
Hello. I need Pat's help from my front, bro. I need to get like 3 more degrees.
Oh yeah, you trying to get some of this sauce right here.
All right, how's it going, Steven?
Well, it's a lot bigger than OEM, so like it's kind of heavy.
That's what she said.
Yeah, it's like when you go to Dr. Miami, because it's not OEM anymore. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in.
Put it in, Steven. Put it in.
Put it in.
Stick it in.
Just like that. Spit on it.
What?
Oh. Bro, why is it so hard? Oh my god. Why are you not going in? I got it. You do? Yeah, it's in. Be positive? 100%, just like HIV, baby. It's not in though.
Pat said he can't feel it.
These aren't Steven, I'm not feeling it right now.
You can't feel that you're in, alright? What's going on, Steven?
Steven just put it in, and then I don't think it's in, so... Looking kind of fast out here,
Me no fast.
You looking kind of fast, Steven.
Why are you stuck?
You looking kind of fast. So, little update on the cover that you guys saw in, I think, the meat video. That cover is getting painted, or is already painted right now. I think Tyler's redoing a little bit of it, but it will be on there very, very, very soon. Steven has bolted the intercooler down for the most part. What's left?
Gotta tighten everything. This is just so when I put the bumper on, the air just goes straight into the intercooler.
Yep. Yep.
Why you no going? Oh, hi. Oh, hey there.
Alright guys, so Steven just has to put those 2 last pieces on. Well, he already got one on, but he has to put on the other, and then everything can go back on and we can start on the underglow. And it's going to be the same underglow that Brandon actually has on his Miata. So if you're interested in getting some underglow, make sure to go check out that underglow on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. If you go and click that link and buy the underglow, it will, I think Brandon is a Amazon affiliate, so you can help him out and also help Slanted out. So that'd be great. Go check it out, guys.
Bro, look at my dick in your ear.
It's kind of sus, bro.
But you like it though.
You right.
Oh!
Got Steven on camera. Ah.
So the bumper is ready to go back on. Steven got it all buttoned up, and let's see how it looks. It's gonna look dope.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, these knees.
Can Steven do it? Can
No.
he do it? All them big boy muscles. So strong, big boy. Yeah. Moment of truth. Oh, sick.
Yeah. So sick. Alright, so the headlight trim pieces are going back on.
They're called eyebrows.
Bro.
They're called eyebrows.
Alright, so your eyebrows are back on?
No,
You have eyebrows?
Asians don't have eyebrows.
Some does sound kind of loose.
Yeah. What'd you take off?
This. It's probably that piece.
Alright guys, so Steven is just going to put all the trim pieces and panels back on his engine bay slash bumper. And we're going to get everything buttoned up, and we'll come back to you guys when we start the Underglow. So with the Underglow, Steven actually has already ran the wires. He's choosing to not run a switch. He's just going to plug it straight into the cigarette port. So he has the wires ran through the firewall to the front of the car. And so everything is ready to be plugged in, wired up, and just mounted on the bottom of the car. So let's get to it. Alright, so Steven right now is trying to figure out what's happening. He doesn't know what's happening. What's happening?
Oh. That is the wire thing. Oh.
Very descriptive. Alright, so Steven is going underneath the car to mount that little control box on the frame, kind of right by his axles. It's probably going to be the safest place to put it on this car, just because if you mount it in the engine bay, the heat may affect it, but if you mount it down there, it's not going to be as hot, and it also won't get scraped off because he's so low. So hopefully this works out.
Yeah, so it's one half front side and then one half rear and then the other half front side.
Let's see. Hey YouTube, should I get Underglow for the STI? Am I gonna be your wife there? Oh, it fits.
Duh.
If I fit, I sit.
It might be too short for yours though.
Oh, I think it'll be fine.
It'll be aight.
Maybe I
It'll be aight.
use the same stuff.
So Steven is plugging the Underglow in, and hopefully it fits.
Wipe it down.
Yeah?
I don't think he's putting it on yet.
No, I'm running the wire real quick.
Yeah.
Watch your feet.
Uh-oh. Snip time.
Bro, please only be 3 wires. Ow. It's 3 wires. It's 3 wires. Amazing. I can do it.
Alright, so Steven is cutting and extending these wires just so everything fits properly underneath the car. He's also a master electrician, so if you guys need any electrical anything done to your house, your car, fucking your boat,
Wait,
everything.
Your skyscraper.
Wait, whoa. Whoa, what's going on here? Alright, so I'm finishing off this side skirt. I already got the front done for like the driver's side, and then I'm gonna do the rear for the driver's side, and then we're gonna move over to the other side. But like, the way how I wired this joint, bro, the way how I ran the lines, bro, shit, wow.
Like I said before, Steven's a master electrician. If you need any electrical, anything done to your home, your boat, your car, your office building, anything, he got you.
Even if I don't know how to do it, I'll figure it out.
All right, so basically, guys, Steven's just running the Underglow underneath. It already has pre-installed 3M on the back of it, so he's just sticking it up there. And we're gonna get this side done, the driver's side, and then we're gonna move on to the passenger side. I'll probably show you guys how he's tucking it, because he's a wizard.
I don't even know if I want to go this way. But if I go over here...
Are you gonna be like Brennan and zip tie your wire to your spring on your strut?
Hell no. I go through here. Alright. Shout out Godspeed for having these holes right here. Without them, I wouldn't be able to do it. Nah, seriously though, because I'm so low, my upper arm bangs on my frame. Yeah. So if I put it in between here,
it would have crushed it.
It would have severed the line.
Yeah. It would have grounded it out. And crushed it.
It's highway cruising, 15 minutes.
What time is it?
It's 4:30.
No.
What?
Tune time, boy.
Yeah.
I'm not even done yet.
Clap time, boy.
So Steven just got
starting at 2,000 RPM all the way to red line.
Yes.
Yo, you're wild.
No.
So Steven just got the email back from the e-tuner. He just sent the base map over, and I think we might be tuning today. Also, I'm really sorry, guys. It's really bright outside. But before we do the tune, Steven has to finish the Underglow. So
well,
right
I mean,
now,
we can't even do it even if I finish because Pat's in the taking his time working on that car over there. It's like, nah, it's all Brian's fault. What was I? I'm missing something. Okay, so 3 wires here. I should have stripped this before I taped it on. Come off, please. I'm begging you. Yes. Yes. Alright, remember guys, you always gotta wire the red to the black, okay?
no, you use the same color wire for every color.
I need wire cutter.
Oh, by the way, Raul's here.
What it do, baby? Did you?
Oh yeah. This man said, "Where they at though?" He had it the whole time. I should smack you. Okay. My neck hurts.
All right, guys. Steven's taking a long time right now to do this, so let's just do a little one of those time lapses.
I mean,
we'll be back in a second.
I'm supposed to take a long time to do this.
Alright guys, so Steven's basically done with the Underglow wiring, and look who showed up.
Hey, good morning guys. It's like,
New haircut.
I don't even know what time it is.
Dude, you got cut. Who cut your hair, bro?
Good. That's hot.
Hey Steven.
What?
Are you done yet?
No.
Why aren't you done yet?
Cause
Alright, Steven's been struggling for the past like 4 hours,
I'm not
but
struggling. I just keep getting stuff in my eye, and it hurts.
Steven's pretty much done. So let's see how everything looks once it's all ready to go. You doing okay, Steven?
No, my eye hurts.
Let me show you guys how it looks. This thing, mint, looks so good. This looks really good. Look at that. Gosh. I will definitely have a clip for you guys once this thing is on the ground, but this Underglow is looking awesome right now. If you guys want this Underglow, make sure to check out the link in the description. It's gonna shoot you over to Amazon, right to the Underglow. Make sure to pick it up. So basically what Steven is doing right now is he's notching into the plastic a little bit just so he can tuck the wire a little better so it doesn't scrape or like ground itself out because he's low, obviously. So once Steven is done doing this, we should be good to go and I can show you guys what the Underglow looks like. I know it's been a while. You guys have had to wait. I'm sorry. All right, guys.
Sketchy stuff.
Yes, sir. It's gotten pretty dark outside, but we got one more wire to tuck and we'll be good to go.
Just get into the freaking fender letter, you stupid whore.
What, boy? What'd you say?
That don't phase me.
Oh, it's fucking sliding, bro.
Sliding off.
Oh, God. All right, guys. Moment of... Oh my God!
Sir.
Yo!
Yo!
I didn't even get to say the full sentence, bro.
This is sick!
Yo!
Do you want Underglow now?
This is so
I
dope,
placed an order today.
bro. What?
Buy it from my link.
What the? Steven, you did it.
Can you do like...
Yeah.
You like 105.
What you guys think?
Looks good. I mean, I already knew it would look good. I have this.
Red and blue.
Yeah, cops
Red
would
and
love
blue.
that.
Yeah.
Cops would love that.
They would know that you're the same side.
Wait, is there straight?
Off.
Hey guys, so thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this video has been entertaining for you guys and you found some new Underglow that you might want. So check out the link in the description to go cop that Underglow, and also check out the link in the description for our shop. We still have a bunch of merch, well, not a bunch, but a good bit of merch on there if you guys are interested, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Hey, Brandon,
What?
what should the people do?
Oh, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz.
Yeah.
And.
What?
Love you guys.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in the next video.